Hi guys, I'm Prathiksha. I'm a model and a content creator, and this is my beauty routine with SSBeauty. One thing I've learned through years of experience is skincare is way more important than your makeup routine because your skincare sets the base for your makeups. Texture cannot be covered or concealed, but your scars can. So make sure your skincare is given the most priority. Before we start, I'm just gonna put my hair up. We're gonna go in with this Salicylic Acid Daily Gentle Cleanser by COSRX. One thing I've learned over the years is it's important to read the ingredient list of any product you use on your skin. Because as models, you go through a lot of makeup changes every other day and it's a different person doing it every other time. So you gotta pay attention to what your skincare routine is like so your skin is healthy and prepped for the next shoot. And it also sort of compensates for the damage done on your skin on the day of your shoot. This particular cleanser is super light. It does not disrupt the pH balance of your skin. Salicylic acid is also really good to prevent acne, and that's what I love about it. Let's wash this. Once you're done washing, take a towel and gently pat your skin dry. My skin's now prepped and we're ready to layer it with my skincare routine. We're gonna start with this vitamin C serum from the Minimalist. It's super light and it absorbs into your skin. Just take some, rub it on your hand, and gently pat it into your skin. The vitamin C serum really helps brighten the scars, and you all can see this part has a few of the acne scars still on it. I'm keeping my skincare routine really simple, so we're gonna go in with this CLINIQUE Moisture Surge Moisturizer. This is super hydrating. It's a water-based formula. And we're gonna scoop this out. We're gonna go in and massage my skin with this. Also keep in mind that you would want to wait a few minutes before you layer your skincare products because you would want each serum or cream to set in. Do not forget your neck. I'm gonna use this Clinique sunscreen with the SPF of 50. It does not leave any white cast and it really goes into your skin. I'm gonna start my makeup routine by prepping my lip. I take this lip oil from CLARINS. It's super hydrating and this is in the shade Raspberry. This has the best applicator, let me show you. It's super thick, you can just do and you're good to go. Now that my lip is hydrating and taking in all the minerals from this lip oil, for my base, I'm gonna go in with this M.A.C Studio Fix Foundation. It has medium to high coverage. I'm gonna go for a medium coverage. I just wanna even out my skin tone. I don't want it to be too cakey. I still wanna see skin through the makeup. So we're gonna take in a few drops on my hand. This is good. We're gonna apply this with the damp beauty blender. This is all the product I actually need. And I'm gonna drag this down to my cheek. My under eye is where I need my product to stay. My makeup game has really gotten so much better once I started working as a model because while I'm on this chair getting my makeup done, I watch the makeup artist do her thing and I'm that model who asks her a lot of questions regarding each product, why she's using it in a particular way. And I realized it is art. It is you knowing your face, you knowing where the shadows fall on your face. It's basically following the lines and the shadows of your face and retaining it. Also, most of the products I do buy is something that I see a makeup artist use on me. I take a picture of the shade and I go back home and I get it online. I get it on SSBeauty. They have the best offers, not even gonna lie. So make sure you blend your product down to your jawline and your neck. Next, we're gonna do my brows with this BOBBI Brown Eyebrow Pencil. This pencil also comes with a brush, so you can brush your brows out. I start in the middle and then blend it out towards the edge. Growing up, I actually had really thin eyebrows. I feel like I get that from my dad because my mom has really full, thick eyebrows and she told me when I was in college, she'd asked me to get my eyebrows threaded often. So once I started doing that, it started growing out thicker and now I have the space to shape it the way I want and that's all I do for my brows. Next, we're gonna go in with this blush by K Beauty. It's a cream blush in the shade Rosy Romance. We're gonna go in with the sponge again. I like to bring my blush upward because it gives me a more snatched look for my face. Literally, it looks so natural. My blush is all done. I take the excess and I dab it over my lip. Next, I'm gonna line my lip with this COLORBAR lip pencil in the shade Chocolate Brown. So we're gonna line and blend it in. To finish my lip, we're gonna go in with this Bobbi Brown lipstick in the shade Babe. I'm gonna go in with my fingers for this and pat it literally in the middle of my lip and blend it out. We're gonna finish this look with lots of mascara. This mascara is from ARDEN. It really lifts my lashes up. Okay, let me show you my final look. So this is the final look. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video as much as I've enjoyed creating this video for you. Please like and subscribe to SSBeauty.